the studio floor way back in 1968.
Now it's just some hidden sprinklers, some strobe lights, and some sound effects. We've given you a lovely romantic storm. But what happens when we really want to kick it up a notch? Well, when we say sprinklers are not enough, give us all you got. Give us a flash flood, will ya? Performed your very first stunt. Just like Lady Gaga in her music video for Judas. She did the exact same thing right there. Now, if you are a fan of music videos, pay attention to the area we are driving into right now, because this is where Janet Jackson filmed her music video for Escapade. You'd have no idea she used the exact same location as Jack Black, who filmed Nacho Libre right here, and that is Hollywood, my friends.